Okay, thank you. Sorry, actually, here is a scheduled light off, and between according to Pakistan time 5:10 to 6:10 a.m. So for this, I say sorry. Okay, now we move to today our class. Hope you have done a practice on previous classes. Please confirm me. Have you done all previous classes practice? Please confirm me. Have you done practice on all previous classes? Okay, no. So we our today class is about Anova. Now today we will practice on Anova. One way Anova, two way Anova, and so on. So first we start one way Anova. One way Anova. So similarly here is two way Anova and M Anova. If so, what is one way Anova? In one way Anova there is a one factor in two way Anova there are two factors, and in multiple Anova there are three or more than three factors. So we need factors to perform Anova. Please import your ficus file. Import ficus file. In global environment and type done. Thank you. Now we start. There are different steps of Anova. The first step is calculate mean. For Anova analysis there are different steps: mean and standard deviation. ST means standard deviation. Second step is apply Anova. Third, and plot. So there are three steps for calculating Anova, but if you want to proceed it further, you can apply it here on post-hack test. Post-hack test. like LST, to K, done contest, etc. And after LST you can apply GLST. Here is GLST, General Linear Hypothesis Test. Here is a general GLST, General Linear Hypothesis Test, for comparison of mean. And then you can also extract lettering for comparison, like when you often have seen a plot like this. I show you our 11th batch participant has created. I show you here. Like this, you can see a plot. I copy this plot and share in your group. So we need this type of plot or analysis. So today we perform Anova with post-hack test for showing lettering on bar graph to show the difference between these or comparison between these variables. So you can see in image S1 a lot of character C, S2 B, and S3 A. So these are three species are significantly different from each other based on petal width. So these letters showing different. If these letters are, for example, here is a C and here is a and B, so this is closely related with A, but here is a difference, so three species are totally different from each other. So today we'll draw this type of plot. For this, the first step is when you use help or guide from ChatGPT, you need to type here STR. STR means structure of data. STR means structure of data. So str this data, type here ficus, run this code, get str and copy it in ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Copy and paste it here. And write a sentence. Here is a data set. Here is str of data set. Please type these lines. Here is a str of dataset. I want to do one-way Anova. For this, before moving or writing next word, I want to show you of something more. uh, Come again on RStudio and just click on ficus. Here you can see 5 variables, and all these 5 variables, check their structures. Move cursor near to petal width, you can see it show that it's numeric. It's also numeric. This is numeric. It also numeric, but this is a character. So I want to check the effect of species on other variables. So we convert this character into factor. This is a character. So I need factor. One factor for one way ANOVA, two factor for two way ANOVA, and multiple factors for M ANOVA. And just convert those character or numeric variables into factors of which you want to see the effect on other variables. So if we want to check the effect of species on other variables, if you have their original data or your thesis data or your manuscript data, you can also have different column names, like you maybe have here treatment, fertilizer, effect of fertilizer on the sepal length, sepal width, effect of stress on this factor, effect of salinity on this factor. So salinity, fertilizer, species, these are the factors. So if these are not in factor format, please convert first these into factors. So here it is in the form of character, so we need to convert it into a factor. So I write here, here is str of the data set, and I want to do one way ANOVA. Please convert species variable to factors, species variable character to factor, chr character to factor, and then find or then calculate mean group by species. When we tell them please group by species, so it calculate mean by species. So we have 3 species in our data set. It find mean of 3 species, not variables. If we give find a mean based on variables like petal width, petal length, sepal width, so it calculate only one mean, while when we say based on species, it will calculate 3 mean, one mean for species 1, one species 2, and one for species 3. So mean calculate, after calculation mean, you apply ANOVA and then apply ANOVA. So we have perform only 2 steps. Just first calculate mean and standard deviation and apply ANOVA. Mean and standard deviation. Please write this sentence after getting its str and run this or send message. Sorry, I not specify. Yes, please write R script for this. Please always specify it write script for R, otherwise it writes script for Python or maybe for other language. So just specify it. Please write R script for this. So it calculates according to our steps which we give it. Now copy this code and paste it in R. Type here. Maybe you get some different code, some different script. Don't worry. There are different mechanisms for to performing a one step. Thousands of different mechanisms or code or scripts that are generated by programmers for performing a one step. So if you get a different script, don't worry why it is different. Here is a package required declare. So he is saying here is a error group by. So if you give an error, just copy this error again with running script, with the run script, copy it and again paste it in R. Rewrite script again. Copy it again. I replace it with new script. So first convert into factor. Here is a script for factor. You can see here as dot factor. It convert here is a he give just data. So we need to first convert ficus into data. So here is ficus. He give me a general script and saying me just replace your file name with data. Here is give me a data. So I convert my file into data. Now run the script. We say object data underscore species is not found. He again saying me there is a no data in your error in data species object type clear is not substable. So if you find this type of error, it's mean there is an issue with your Excel files. So check this. Here is your Excel file, but it is not opening. So I need first Excel file which is converted to another format. I close these files and again check, again similar functions. So I clean this file and open again or import again ficus file. Here is ficus file and import it again. Now I run this code again, data. So when I convert to data, it change. So there is a I need to change its name or replace with data. So I give it str again. I import file again. Please confirm me, have you done this step, or you maybe get different script. Okay, not working. Please can you share your screen? Please share your screen. Okay. Okay, I take it as str again, str ficus, run it, copy, and paste and tell him. So he open a new script. Here is dataset name ficus. So just give its name. Yes, I am repeating from start. Just watch it. Here is a dataset name ficus. I want to perform Anova. Please convert species variable into factor and calculate mean group by species and apply Anova. And we again send a message. Sorry, I again not specify, so I copy it and paste, and here please write a script for this. You can see here is a very simple step. First is convert species from character to factor, calculate mean for each group by species, and then apply Anova and Anova summary. So copy the script, paste it in R. I remove previous step. So apply first step, convert species from character to. No, it's working. No, just confirm our species variable converted. Click on ficus files and just take a cursor near to species variable. Now you can see here column 5 factor with 3 levels. So it is confirmed that our file is converted into factor. So next, calculate mean. So another step performed, just click on and you can see a new argument or file is created in global environment like this. Here you can see species 1, 2, 3 and their respected variables also get mean. Next step is, but he skipped one more step, that is finding standard deviation. But we can see this. No, it's tell us Anova results. So it's give the summary of Anova results. But if we want to add here mean plus standard deviation, so again come here on script. I send this script in group, so you can also get a similar script. So I have sent this script into group. So I just need a standard deviation. So please, I also need standard deviation. And run this command or message. Here is he created a function for calculating the mean and standard deviation for each group by species. So copy this script and paste it here. Here you can see he calculated the mean plus standard deviation for each variable. So get summary. Here is a table for mean plus standard deviation. So here is aggregate results. Yes, and now you can see that here is a petal width mean and petal width standard deviation. Petal width mean and petal length standard deviation. Petal length standard deviation, mean, standard deviation. So we get the standard deviation and mean. And now we want to apply bar graph with standard deviation. So it create a script for bar graph. Copy this complete code and paste it in R. Here and run it all steps again from start to end. Library ggplot2 for drawing a graph, same step repeat. Summary of mean data. He convert our wide form to long format and now draw plot. So it did not create any plot, just give us a values or species. Check script again. Here is another missing script. I copy just here from theme is minimal, so we need more things. Copy script, complete script again and paste it. Here you can see the script is not completed, so I copy the script. Sorry, this is another one. Please confirm me, have you drawn plot on this?